Hey, we're coming to you from Ice Institute 2023, checking out some of the cool new technologies, and that brought me to the Amped Outdoors booth, and I've got Zach here. Zach, batteries have come a long way since we first started fishing, and you guys have got a variety of different solutions for ice fishermen and summer fishing too.
Yes.
So take us through. You got a lot of stuff. Let's go through it.
Yes. So we got all the way down to our Lithium Iron Phosphate collection, where we have all the way down to a 7.5 amp battery for all your Vexilars, your small locators, and anything like that. We go all up into our bigger ones, our 20, 30, 32s, 48, all the way for our forward-facing sonar people that need that runtime for that. That amp draws around 1.5 to 2 per hour, so you're going to need a bigger battery to get you through all the way through the day. We have plenty of accessories. We have our USB ports, battery brackets, so mounting it to your fish house, your four-wheeler, all that. We got you covered. Then we're into our boat batteries as well. We have a couple of them here just on sample to take a look at. We have dedicated 36 volt, 24 volt, and 12 volt batteries. Fit all your needs for your kayak, your boat, your fish house, your Bearcat, any of those things.
And weight-wise, just fraction of what they would be if they would be.
We can drop, your average Vexilar unit basically the same weight as your regular lead-acid battery that comes with you. So you're actually dropping basically the whole weight, you're 50% reduction basically across the board.
Right, just gone. And
then your longevity too, your 2,000 plus charge cycles. So you take care of these batteries, they're going to get 5 to 10 years of lifetime out of it.
Easily with that, especially if you're only fishing a few times. Yep,
correct.
You're going to get a long life.
Exactly.
And then of course, charging. Is there something that's special with charging that they?
We always recommend our chargers with our battery management system. So each one of these batteries has a battery management system in them. So it's a little circuit board that basically tells them when to charge, how to charge, when it can't, any polarity issues. If you try to hook something up backwards, the battery will shut itself off and protect itself.
Nice. All
that, so it's pretty foolproof. Our charger we sell, you need a lithium charger for a lithium battery, so we recommend ours. It's great price. It's super easy. You plug it in, the light turns green, you're good to go.
You're good to go. Excellent. You mentioned longevity. How about just on runtime for during the day? If I'm looking at this compared to a traditional battery,
you're about 70% more.
70% more.
Yep, so depending on where you are, what's your efficiency of your unit. Vexilar is a little more the most efficient flasher out there, so you're going to definitely see the increase. We can go to a way smaller battery, so you're not overdoing it. Yeah, you could definitely put one of these in if you wanted to, but it's just a little overkill because on most Vexilars we're getting 30 plus hours on it.
Wow.
So you really don't need to go up to 60 hours doubling it up, but you can save a little more weight too that way.
Yeah, and it really, there's a little bit more weight, but it's not like...
I believe it's 2.5 pounds.
Yeah, there's just not
so compared to, I think it's just over 7 for your standard 9 amp lead acid.
And that would be,
And your efficiency of the biggest thing with lithium is your efficiency curve. So lead acid starts draining as you go down. So you're constantly losing your 12.8 volts, dropping down steadily, where lithium stays at 12.8 and goes all the way across and then completely dies. So you have that full 12.8 volts all the way through your cycle.
And of course, when you've got they're going to last a long time and give you that, as you say, 60 hours of
60 hours.
No,
yes.
I can't come home yet. The battery's so good.
80 hours on an FL18.
That's a
for
lot.
That little battery, and it all fits in we have all standardized sizing, so they're made to work it. They're all developed, engineered to be in the fishing industry, not just repurposed.
Excellent, Zach. If people like to find out more information about any of the batteries from Amped Outdoors, where could they go to check them out?
Check us out on Facebook, Amped Outdoors, or on our website. We have all our info. We have YouTube videos. All that's on there. Charts with you can match your unit with your amp draws, and it can tell you exact run times and everything like that. So check us out on ampedoutdoors.com.
Sounds great, Zach. Thank you very much. We're coming to you from Ice Institute 2023.